Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Member for that question. This question, Honourable Madam Speaker, should also be withdrawn because a written question was put to Parliament last week and I tabled the answer. But if you wish me to respond, I will respond. But according to standing order, just been tabled last week the answer to the written question.
Yeah, I think this withdrawal should have been made at the committee stage. But the committee had agreed that the question is tabled. So
then I'll respond, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. There were 14 cases of sacrilege, not only temples but also churches. The progress on the investigation, Madam Speaker. The Latter-day Saints Church, the case is before the court. The Vishnu Bhavan Temple, case before the court. Gopal Sadhu Mandir Temple, case before the court. Okay, investigation continuing. The Shiv Mandir Namara Road, Namboa. The Nandera Catholic Church. Investigation continuing. The Ambati Mandir, Valilevu. Investigation is also continuing. Tanusu Assemblies of God, Natalau, Sambeto. Investigation continuing. Hope Assemblies of God, Natalau, Sambeto. Investigation continuing. Marishi, Trias, Dharam Temple, Sambeto. Investigation continuing. Kalili Settlement Church, Lautoka. Investigation continuing. Kavanangasu, Kavangasau, sorry. Temple, Sinatoka, investigation continuing. Shri Sadia Dharam Raman Madali, investigation continuing. And also the wounded Sinu Methodist Church, investigation continuing. Thank you, Madam Speaker.